Hi, I'm Navid Ansari. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can crack some encrypted game save that created with GameMaker. So for that, I did create this project that you see in create. We create a variable, we call it level, and at the first it is 0, and whenever they click left, the level will increase, and in draw function we just draw that level in our button, and when we run it, whenever we click in this button, the level will be increased. So assume that it is a level in here. Before we start to save a game, I want to tell you, if I'm slow or my English is not good, please watch this video till the end. It's very important for you, so nobody can crack your game. So what is cracking the game? Whenever the end user can just modify the save games and give himself or herself a lot of money. I will show you how they can do that with even encrypted saved game, and I will show you how you can prevent that. So there are a lot of video in the internet of how you can create save game that is encrypted and nobody can edit that to give himself or herself money. And Sean did it as well. So I checked his channel and he did it 5 times. And in one of them, he did talk about encrypted save games. And I want to show you how you can crack that and how easy you can crack that method. So first, let's just create that. So in here, you can see that whenever they click on left press, the level will be increased. And how Sean did it, he first say if file exists, and let's just give it a file name, call it game save. If this file exists, just delete it. That's how Sean did it. So let's just copy this because we wanna delete this save, and after that just create it with this. We say ini open with this file name. If it doesn't exist, it will create it, right? And we want to save this level, right? So how we can do that? We should encrypt it. But before we encrypt it, let's just do it bare simple. So we can say ini write a string, and in here for the section I want to say save. He did call it save 1, and for the key I want to say that is level, and because it is a string and our level in here is a real number, so we should say string level. And after we did that, we should close this ini file. So that's how you can do it, right? So now let's just run it, and you can see whenever I click on this button, it will increase, and now it is 5. And if we go to file that we created for this, and you can see the file is created here, and we can open it with Notepad, okay? And you can see that section is save 01. And the level is 5, and they can change this level or money or whatever you put in there. So how Sean encrypted, I will show you how he did it and how we can crack that encryption. That's too much easy. So let's just close this, and you can see the save file is in this PC local this C users, your PC name, app data local, and the name of your game. So let's just close this again. How Sean did it is like this. So he did create something like this, level encrypted, and with base 64 encode. He encode our levels. So he did it like this, string level, and with this he encrypted, and instead of just this, he pastes this encrypted level in here. So now when we run it, let's see what happened. Whenever we click on it, and it is at 5, and if we open the file in here, and you can see that level now is gibberish and you can't edit it. But wait a minute, you can edit it. And how you can do it, let me show you. If you go to your web browser, you can see that there is a base64encode.org site in here. So if we just copy this and paste it in here, and we want to say decode it, so let's just paste it. It's in decode mode, and when we decode it, it gives us 5. And when we go to encode, and let's just say 6, I want to be at level 6 and encode it, and you can see it gives us the value in here. So this value is for level number 6. Let's just change this to 6 to see if it's matched or not. Again, let's open it, and you can see that ng equal is level number 6. That's how easy the end user and the client and the player can crack your game. So you shouldn't use this way, but what you should use to save your game so nobody can crack that. GameMaker give us a solution for that, but I want to show you that is crackable easy like this. So let's just do it in GameMaker way. So how they did that, they create a DS map like this, DS map create. Let's just save this in game save, and with this we can add our level to this map. So we can say DS map add, and for the ID we can use that this map that we created before. For the key I want to say level, and for the value I want to give it the value of the level, right? So we did create our map in here, we call it game save, and we add a value, key value pair to that map, and now we want to save it. GameMaker tell you to do it like this: secure DS map secure save. So it need an ID, so let's just give it this ID in here, and the file name I want to call it save. Okay, so with that we save our file. So now let's just run it, and let's go to 5. Now we are at level 5, right? And when we open this save file with a text with notepad, and you can see that is gibberish, and you think that you can't edit that, but you can. Let's just show you how you can do that. I want to just copy this and go to this base64 encode again, and go to decode and paste it in here, decode it, and you can see it that the level is 5, and you can just copy this and go to encode mode, paste it in here, and change the level. Okay, encode it, and if you paste this code to your save file, you will be at level 6, so it's not encrypted. What I recommend, just don't use this method or the last method that I did show you that Sean did. It's easy to break, so don't use it. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can create a real encrypted save game so nobody can crack your save game. So stay tuned, please subscribe to my channel, so, and the bell button, so whenever this video will be uploaded you can see it, and you know how you can save your game real encrypted. Before we stop this video, I want to tell you something, that the ultimate way to save your game is online save game, Google Cloud save game. You can use it, it is free, and you should use it in your game. And I did create a video about online save game with Google Save Game service, so please watch that and use that. But if you want to save your game encrypted locally, I will create a video about that, and you can see how easy you can do that, and nobody can crack your save game. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please hit that subscribe button, like button. Thank you very much. Bye.